Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the newest skincare products that I've been trying that are working well for me, and I'm going to be doing this in two parts because I don't want this video to be too long. So if you are curious about the products that have been working and that I have been trying, then stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Maitrayee Halder. I do make a lot of beauty and skincare related content mixed with a couple of contents that I really like. So if you are into that genre, then do consider subscribing and hitting on that bell notification to get notified every time I upload. Also, do not forget to follow me in my social media accounts where I'm the most active and you get to be a part of what goes into my videos, including my Instagram where I do a couple of live sessions to answer back to all of you skincare or other concerns. Without any further ado, I'm going to be starting off with the first product that have been loving and that have been recently trying. These are the two products from Sugandha. This is the Sugandha Gentle and Hydrating Centella Green Tea Face Wash. This has been a huge rage I think previous year or when they first initially launched it in unscented version. This is such a hydrating, nice cleanser which can be used in both morning and evening. This has panthenol, centella, green tea and also glycerin, and the surfactants used are so nice. It has cocamidopropyl betaine if I'm not wrong, and this is one of the best surfactant for me. The price is a little bit on a higher side. For 120 ml you pay something about 700 rupees, but the quality, oh my god, it is such a brilliant face wash and I will repurchase this because this is such a nice cleanse. Recently when I came back from Hyderabad, my skin has been breaking out non-stop, plus I had my period, so yeah, that just contributed to all of that, and I have been getting acne every single day. When you get acne and when your skin is irritated, you need a face wash which is very gentle, and this has been serving me. The second product that I have from them is their White Lotus moisturizer. This is also unscented. I think Sugandha completely switched to unscented and I'm really a little bit sad about that because the scented version of this one used to be my favorite. This one has 3% niacinamide, hyaluronic acid and panthenol. I've used this in the past, loved it. The consistency is something about a serum, a moisturizer in one. This is such a nice moisturizer if you have oily skin. Even combination skin people can still apply this. I believe only oily skin people are the only people who would really enjoy this consistency. This is a gel to serum consistency wala moisturizer, but it won't dry out your skin. It retains the moisture. It is so nice. It has niacinamide and a lot of other skin barrier friendly ingredients. Overall, White Lotus is known for its soothing properties, and this particular one also comes in a pump bottle. It is again on the price tag of about 750 rupees for this Chotu Sa 50 ml bottle, but overall the quality of Sugandha products are brilliant. Coming on to another product which is again a repurchase by the way, but I've been using this one very frequently now. I also saw Shamapti really likes it, and also the Formula RX one that I suggested to her, she really loves it, and I'm really happy because that one I had complete faith on, because even if your skin is not great with vitamin C, that vitamin C is the best. But this one is also equally nice with a lower price tag. It has 10% of vitamin C and 0.5% of ferulic acid. If you are not familiar with ferulic acid has an amazing property of stabilizing vitamin C, and that is brilliant. Ferulic acid has a lot of other properties too, but both of them combined together gives you the much more antioxidant rich kind of a serum thing. And this one cost about 699 rupees for 30 ml. Brilliant, absolutely nice. It also has a lot of skin soothers, humectants, and if you are looking forward for a really nice vitamin C serum, then you can definitely look into this particular one. Coming on to two products from Dermaco that I tried this month. The first one is the 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen gel. I think I bought two of them. My sister, I gave it one to my sister and one to me. Both of us love it, and this is my second bottle of it this month. I mean, I use sunscreen pretty much very quickly and use this about 2 to 3 times a day, and this is their SPF 50 PA 4+ 1% hyaluronic sunscreen gel. This is such a nice sunscreen. It doesn't give you any kind of white cast. Feels like the Biore wala sunscreen that I always mention. This is such a nice one. It also comes in a very lower price tag, 495 rupees for 50 gram. Amazing. And the Biore one I think cost about 1000 or 1500 rupees. That's why you guys are so mad at me. Maitrayee, a sunscreen that has alcohol, fragrance, and the price tag is so much. How can you suggest us a product like that? See, calm down. some products, even if they have fragrance or alcohol, they can suit someone perfectly, and that is Biore to me. Biore is nostalgic. Biore has been sitting in my stash for over 7 years, so 7 or 8 years. But yeah, if your skin is sensitive with fragrance and stuff, don't use it. You can easily switch over to this one. This is, I believe, fragrance free, and yeah, this is such a nice sunscreen. It doesn't really like feels heavy or sticky. In fact, it gives you this lightweight kind of a moisturizer feeling. It also has a cooling property. The only con is that it does has benzophenone 3. It has about a lower amount of consistency, and it also has hyaluronic acid in it. So yeah, amazing hydrating sunscreen. And the second product, I mentioned it in my haul, but this is their 3% vitamin E face moisturizer, and I really like this because of its overall texture, and it is meant for dry and flaky skin. So I thought it is going to be a thick moisturizer. I can only apply it on the night time, not particularly at the daytime. But yeah, this is such a lightweight moisturizer. Even dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, or even like normal skin people can try it. It is also very affordable. I believe 300 or 400 rupees for this humongous 100 gram of moisturizer. So yeah, that's a really nice thing about this. The next product I'm going to mention is Bioderma. I did a partnership with them, I think, previous month, and Bioderma products are my absolute favorite. You guys know this particular one is their Sensi Bio Gel Mucin, which has I believe micelles or micellar water. So if you are looking into face wash that can remove a little bit of your makeup, your sunscreen, this is a perfect go-to. It is such a nice hydrating face wash that any type of skin genres can use it, whether it's day or night. There might be something about like 500 or maybe 700 rupees for 100 ml, but the quality of Bioderma products are top notch. It is fragrance free, it is nice, and also it has a lot of like good surfactants, so it won't really dry out your skin, and it is super hydrating and it's super nourishing. And also the plus point, it does have micelles or micellar water in it. So yeah, amazing product. I've been using this product this month, and I think this is my second bottle. I first initially tried it when Bioderma sent it a PR to me, I think a year back or maybe like 6 months back, but I love it. I recently purchased this from Amazon, and this has been like my absolute favorite cleanser. Like this and Sugandha are like, I switch between these two and I just love them. Coming on to the last product in the list, which is from Aqualogica. I think I also did a partnership with them, and some of you guys were like, can you really try out their sunscreen, which I'm going to talk about in this video. I'm going to talk about their gel moisturizer. This is such a nice one. It is fragranced, I know. Now this particular moisturizer comes in this humongous tub, and it's so affordable. That is the reason why I did like the sponsorship at first place, because the products really worked for me. And this particular moisturizer is such a nice, it's a beautiful dupe of the Pond's Superlight Gel, but it has so many good things like tender coconuts and so many good hydrating ingredients and humectants, and no nonsense kind of a moisturizer. The only con is it does contain fragrance, but apart from that, everything about this is so perfect. Plus the smell just reminds me of this cream that my mother used to like slather on all over her face, and the smell just gives me nostalgia, and I really like that about it. And it is super light, super nice on your skin, and it also gives this dewiness, and plus it is so affordable. I was really shocked at the price range of Aqualogica. I believe they are the same parent company that owns Mamaearth and Dermaco. Like many people were like, Maitrayee, why didn't you mention this? Like they are partner company of Dermaco and Mamaearth. Frankly, I didn't know it. I care less. I used to be this kind of person, like if one product didn't work for me from that brand, the whole brand is bad. That is such a negative thing, and I wish my past self would know that. But yeah, I believe like the recent products, like especially the body care products from Mamaearth, are really nice. The body lotions and that cocoa butter body lotion that I'm currently using, and even Dermaco products. Like I used to be so against Dermaco just because of that one serum, like the 10% niacinamide wala serum, the review that I did I think 2 years back. But recently when I did the video again, it suited me. Like that is about skincare. Plus they changed their whole formulation, like they made it all fragrance free. And this Aqualogica brand that I'm really curious about, but because tender coconut, if you want to like watch my video on that and see my whole story about tender coconut, you can go in that video. Like has this like nostalgic kind of a childhood story that I shared there. But yeah, overall this moisturizer is brilliant, and I absolutely like freaking love this. So hey guys, this was my part 1. I'm going to do a part 2 soon, so let me know how you like this video in the comment box below. Like this video if you like my content, share this video to any of your friends, and lastly subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. So bye bye and take care.